The respiratory system helps us take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide, gases essential for life. When you breathe in, inhale, air enters through your nose or mouth, passes down the pharynx, throat, larynx, voice box, and trachea, windpipe. The trachea divides into two bronchi, one leading to each lung. Inside the lungs, the bronchi branch into smaller tubes called bronchioles, ending in tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by tiny blood capillaries. This is where gas exchange happens. Inside the alveoli, oxygen from the inhaled air passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and enters the blood in the surrounding capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas produced by body cells, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be breathed out, exhaled. This exchange happens because of diffusion. Gases move from areas of higher concentration to areas of lower concentration. Oxygen moves from alveoli to blood because oxygen is high in alveoli and low in blood. Carbon dioxide moves from blood to alveoli because carbon dioxide is high in blood and low in alveoli. Once oxygen enters the blood, it binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells and is carried to all body cells for energy production. Breathing is an automatic process controlled by a part of the brain called the medulla oblongata, which acts as the respiratory control center. It continuously monitors the level of carbon dioxide, CO2, in the blood. When the amount of CO2 increases, it makes the blood more acidic. The brain detects this change and sends signals to the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, the muscles between the ribs, to contract more frequently and forcefully. This causes you to breathe faster and deeper, allowing more oxygen to enter the lungs and more carbon dioxide to be removed. Once the CO2 level in the blood returns to normal, the brain reduces the rate of nerve signals, slowing down the breathing. In this way, the brain automatically adjusts the breathing rate according to the body's needs. For example, breathing faster during exercise and slower when resting. In short, the respiratory system works as a finely tuned delivery and cleaning system for the body. It brings in oxygen, which is needed by all cells to produce energy, ATP, and removes carbon dioxide, a waste gas produced during this process. The brain automatically controls the rate of breathing depending on the body's needs. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.